Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a period when you were busy. You should say when it was, what you did during this period, what made you busy, and explain how you felt about the experience. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about a simple idea. Maybe you were busy during your exams, or maybe you can talk about some kind of wedding preparation that was going on at your place, or maybe you were trying to overlook some kind of construction or renovation, right? Those are times when you are actually very busy. So you can talk about any such idea for a question like this. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. There have been different phases in my life, including those which have been quite relaxing and some which have kept me on my toes. And today I would like to speak about my class 12th board examinations during which I had an extremely hectic schedule. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So hectic is another synonym for busy. So instead of repeating the word that was already in the question, we used a better vocabulary word. Kept me on my toes, it means to be very active or to be very alert. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that it was held a couple of years back, spanning the months of February and March. Moreover, I had an extremely back-breaking schedule during that period as I was concentrating really hard on my studies to achieve good scores. So spanning means during the months of. Okay, so we used a better vocabulary word. So backbreaking means difficult, something that you were not able to cope up with easily. So again, instead of repeating the word busy, we used a different phrase to communicate the same meaning. Alright, so let's continue. I attended extra tuition classes to clarify my concepts, resolve all my doubts, and strengthen my knowledge and understanding in my core subjects to obtain a better grasp on the subject. So, as you all can see, we have used very good vocabulary words here. Clarify, which means to clear, resolve means to solve, strengthen my knowledge means to make your knowledge better or to improve your knowledge in something. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, I slept only few hours those days and also took a temporary leave from my gym as well as swimming classes so as to devote that time on my studies. So took a temporary leave means to quit your classes for a brief time, temporarily, okay, just for that period of time. Devote means to dedicate. My social interaction also decreased to a great extent, and I hardly spent time with my friends and relatives, which soon started to take a toll on my mental health. So, to take a toll on my mental health simply means to affect your mental health as well. That means you were getting affected by this mentally. Why? Because you were not talking to your friends or relatives and you were only studying and studying. So as you all can see, we have given a very good and relevant elaboration for the third question, which was what made you busy. Now the last question, which is explain how you felt about the experience, still remains. So let's answer that. Despite all this, I was determined to burn midnight oil and put in my efforts and dedication in studies. So we used an idiom here which means burn midnight oil. That means to put in lot of hard work and dedication. Finally, I took a sigh of relief and was on cloud 9 when I scored 92% in my exams and still cherish that busy period as my hard work paid off in the end and it was a good learning experience for me. So we used another idiom here which is on cloud 9, which means to be very happy or joyous. And using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Cherish, that means remember. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.